All right. Okay.
It's such a technological leap that, I mean, it's like going from the Wright brothers to space in 60 years.
Copy. Drone 1 set. Go drone 3.
Four drones are going to fly out about 4 kilometers. They're going to engage a 3-tank convoy.
So let's go to launch in front.
So we were setting up the EFP, pack, and C4, making sure all the pre-flights were correct.
That's good. Go for battery check.
This technology is phenomenal. The leader drone will identify what needs to be hit, and then the 3 follower drones will then go in and attack.
3, 2, 1, pull.
9. With the 3-to-1 concept, there's a leader drone as the brain, and then it's got its 3 followers that you can use as your munitions to send.